Looking for an all-inclusive paradise in Mexico that won't break the bank but still delivers on luxury? Let me tell you about Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta, a beachfront gem sitting pretty on the Riviera Nayarit coastline. This place has been around since 1992, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's stuck in the past. After a massive renovation in 2022 and some fresh upgrades in 2024, this resort is looking better than ever. Positioned right on Banderas Bay with golden sand between your toes and the Pacific Ocean stretching out before you, it's the kind of spot where you can actually feel your shoulders drop and your worries melt away. With 330 rooms spread across 8-story towers, it strikes that sweet spot between intimate and spacious, meaning you're not fighting through crowds of thousands but you've still got plenty of amenities to enjoy. The resort proudly wears its 4.5-star rating, and honestly, after looking at what they offer, it's easy to see why guests keep coming back year after year. Let's talk about where you'll actually be laying your head at night, because the accommodations here are pretty impressive across the board. Starting with the Deluxe King rooms, you're looking at 409 square feet of comfortable space with a king-sized bed that's actually comfortable, not one of those rock-hard mattresses some hotels try to pass off as luxury. These rooms come with a sitting area where you can actually relax, plus a private balcony perfect for your morning coffee or evening cocktail. The views vary between garden and partial ocean, and while everyone wants that full ocean vista, the garden views are actually quite lovely with all those tropical palms swaying in the breeze. Inside, you've got all the modern conveniences: a 55-inch smart TV for those rare moments when you want to watch something, solid Wi-Fi that actually works most of the time, a coffee maker for the early risers, and a minibar that gets restocked daily with beer, soda, and water. They've added some nice touches like motion sensor lighting so you're not stumbling around in the dark, a rainfall shower that feels amazing after a day in the sun, and even robes and slippers because sometimes you just want to feel fancy. The pillow menu is a thoughtful addition for those of us who are particular about our sleep setup. These rooms can fit up to 3 people if you add a rollaway bed, making them work for small families or friends traveling together. If you need a bit more room to spread out, the junior suites bump things up to 592 square feet with a separate living room area that gives everyone some breathing space. These come with oceanfront views, which means you're waking up to that gorgeous blue water every single morning. Beyond the standard amenities, you get extras like a microwave for heating up leftovers or making popcorn, a wine cooler to keep your bottles at the perfect temperature, and an espresso machine for proper coffee snobs. The walk-in closet is a game changer if you're the type who brings half your wardrobe on vacation, and the deep soaking tub is perfect for unwinding with a glass of wine after a long day of doing absolutely nothing. These suites sleep up to 4 people comfortably, and the balconies are expansive enough to actually use, not those tiny ledges some hotels call outdoor space. The 360-degree virtual tours on their website really show off how spacious these are, and the sunset views are absolutely stunning based on the photos guests have shared. Now here's where things get really interesting. The swim-up suites are brand new as of 2024, and they're exactly what they sound like: 60 square meters of luxury with direct access to the pool right from your room. You literally step out your door and you're in the water, which is the kind of convenience that makes you feel like royalty. These rooms come with everything the junior suites have, plus an outdoor shower for rinsing off, a Bluetooth speaker for your own soundtrack, and butler service because why not go all out? The private plunge pool access means you can take a midnight swim without dealing with crowds, and the infinity edge design makes for some seriously Instagram-worthy photos. The combination of pool and ocean views from these suites is spectacular, and guests absolutely rave about them in their reviews. They sleep up to 4 people, making them perfect for couples who want something extra special or small families who like to travel in style. For families who need serious space, the family suites are absolute winners at 807 square feet with 2 separate bedrooms. One bedroom has a king bed for the parents, while the other features double beds plus bunk beds with fun-themed decor that kids actually get excited about. The kitchenette isn't just for show either. It's a full kitchen with a fridge, stove, and everything you need to prepare simple meals or store snacks for picky eaters. They've even included a washer and dryer, which is a lifesaver when you're traveling with kids who seem to dirty every piece of clothing they own within hours. The Xbox in the room is a nice touch for keeping kids entertained during downtime, and the multiple rooms mean parents can actually have some adult conversation after the little ones are asleep. These suites accommodate up to 6 people comfortably, and the ocean or garden views are equally pleasant depending on your preference. The space really is impressive, and based on user photos from TripAdvisor, families genuinely use every bit of it. All rooms come with air conditioning that actually keeps things cool, safes for your valuables, hairdryers, irons, and daily minibar restocking, which is included in your all-inclusive package. The smart TVs have streaming capabilities if you've got accounts you want to log into, though honestly you'll probably be too busy enjoying everything else to watch much television. The rooms were refreshed in that 2022 renovation, so everything feels current and well-maintained, though some user photos do show minor wear like small stains on balconies, which is pretty normal for a beachfront property dealing with salt air and tropical weather. The professional photos on the official website are crisp and high resolution, giving you a very accurate picture of what to expect, and the difference between pre-renovation and post-renovation rooms is dramatic based on older reviews compared to recent ones. Room prices vary by season, with low season from November to May running roughly $250 to $450 per night for 2 adults, high season from June to October jumping to $400 to $700, and peak holiday periods adding another 20 to 50% on top. These prices include the all-inclusive benefits, which when you factor in all meals, drinks, and activities, actually represents solid value compared to paying for everything separately. When it comes to food and drinks, Krystal Grand really delivers with 7 different dining venues, all included in your all-inclusive package. The main buffet restaurant Agora is your go-to spot for variety and convenience, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 11 at night. This place seats 400 people, so you're rarely waiting for a table even during peak times. Breakfast features made-to-order omelets where you can load up with whatever ingredients you want, fresh fruit, pastries, and all the standard breakfast fare you'd expect. Lunch brings out seafood options that are surprisingly fresh for a buffet, plus rotating international dishes. Dinner is where things get interesting with themed nights throughout the week like Mexican Monday and Asian Tuesday, giving you different culinary experiences without leaving the resort. Taco Tuesday is apparently quite popular based on guest reviews, with staff making fresh tacos right in front of you. The casual dress code and no reservation policy make it perfect for families with kids who can't always stick to strict dinner times, and the ocean views from the dining area are a nice bonus while you're eating. For something more upscale, Himitsu serves Asian fusion cuisine in a sleek, modern setting with dark decor and mood lighting that makes everything feel sophisticated. This is the place for sushi lovers with fresh nigiri and creative rolls that go beyond the basic California roll. They also do teppanyaki, where chefs cook right at your table with all the knife tricks and fire shows that make dinner entertaining. The ramen is authentic and flavorful, not the instant packet stuff, and they've got solid vegetarian options for those who don't eat meat. Dinner service runs from 6 to 11 at night, and reservations are required, which you can book through the hotel's app. The smart casual dress code means you should probably wear something nicer than your beach shorts, but you don't need to pack a tuxedo. Seating 80 people, it's intimate enough to feel special but not so small that you're waiting days for a reservation. They offer sushi making classes as a special activity, which is a fun way to learn something new while on vacation. The plated presentations are beautiful based on the professional photos, with careful attention to detail that makes each dish look like art. Fusion takes you on a Mediterranean journey with gourmet dishes that rival standalone restaurants. The lobster risotto is creamy and decadent, the grilled octopus is tender and perfectly charred, and the tiramisu for dessert is the real Italian deal. This restaurant seats 100 people with white tablecloth service and sunset views that make everything taste even better. Dinner runs from 6 to 11, reservations are required, and they offer wine pairings for those who want to elevate their meal even further. The elegant casual dress code is similar to Himitsu, so you'll want to look presentable but comfortable. Guest reviews consistently praise the quality of food here, noting that it exceeds expectations for an all-inclusive resort where buffet food can sometimes get repetitive. The servers are knowledgeable about the menu and can make recommendations based on your preferences, and the pacing of courses is well-timed so you're neither rushed nor waiting forever between dishes. La Placita brings authentic Mexican street food vibes with colorful decor and the smell of sizzling meat on the grill. This taqueria serves lunch and dinner from noon to 11 at night, and it's walk-in only so you don't need to plan ahead. The tacos al pastor are legit, with marinated pork that's been cooked on a vertical spit and topped with fresh pineapple, cilantro, and onions. The mole sauce is rich and complex, and the churros for dessert are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and dusted with cinnamon sugar. Live mariachi bands perform on Friday and Saturday nights, adding to the festive atmosphere and making dinner feel like a celebration. The casual dress code means you can come straight from the pool if you want, and seating 150 people means there's usually space available. This is definitely a guest favorite based on reviews, with many people saying they ate here multiple times during their stay because the food was so good and the atmosphere so fun. The beach grill is your poolside option for lunch and snacks from 11 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon. Swimwear is perfectly acceptable here since you're literally steps from the water, and the menu focuses on casual favorites like burgers, fresh ceviche, and salads. The beauty of this spot is the convenience. You don't have to leave the pool or beach area to get a proper meal, and the food is fresh and tasty rather than the sad, soggy sandwiches some resorts serve poolside. They do barbecue nights as special events, and seating 200 people means you can almost always find a table or take your food back to your beach lounger. The fresh fish platters are excellent according to guest photos, with grilled catch of the day served with rice and vegetables. The Sandy Toes dining experience is exactly what beach vacation eating should be: relaxed, delicious, and with a cold drink in hand. For drinks and light bites, Stars Bar in the lobby operates from noon to midnight, serving cocktails and appetizers. The casual atmosphere makes it perfect for a pre-dinner drink or nightcap, and they do karaoke nights for those brave enough to sing in front of strangers. The sunset cocktails with bay views are particularly popular, and seating 100 people, it's a nice middle ground between crowded and empty. The pool bar is exactly what it sounds like, a swim-up bar where you can order tropical drinks and nachos without leaving the water. Operating from 10 in the morning to 6 at night, it's perfect for those days when you've committed to pool life and refuse to get out except for bathroom breaks. The frozen margaritas are apparently excellent based on user reviews, and the underwater bar stools make for fun photos. The bartenders are friendly and generous with the pours, which is always appreciated when you're on vacation. All restaurants offer vegetarian options, though reviews note they can be somewhat limited, so strict vegetarians or vegans might want to communicate their needs to staff, who can usually accommodate with advance notice. Gluten-free options are also available but similarly limited. The menus rotate seasonally to take advantage of fresh ingredients, so what's available might vary depending on when you visit. The all-inclusive package includes premium liquor brands, not just the bottom-shelf stuff, which is a nice touch that sets this resort apart from some competitors. You can make dinner reservations through the hotel's app, which is convenient and lets you plan your evenings without having to trek to a concierge desk. While food quality is generally praised, some reviews mention that buffet options can feel repetitive if you're staying for an extended period, and service can slow down during peak dining times when the resort is at full capacity. Overall, though, the dining experience consistently earns positive marks from guests who appreciate the variety and quality for an all-inclusive property. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.